Okay, so I recorded this on Mother's Day. But yes, look at my little seedlings. Look at them. Tomato, carrot, and chives. Let's go. Sadly, due to the very heavy rain today that we got, a lot of my plants kind of, they're not doing too well right now. So I'm hoping that they'll be okay. Some of them completely, because I guess the rain, and we also had like a slight tornado as well. It kind of like got rid of some of the seedlings and a lot of the dirt that was in the pot. So it's okay. But yeah, look, that's a new plant, the wasabi coleus. And look at my strawberries. Me and Mom yesterday for Mother's Day, we were just like replanting like crazy. But yeah, those are my big leaf family. I gotta really get a stick to make it stand, and then I gotta get a thing to make that one stand too. But yeah, so that was something. Sunny Star Croton. You got a little strawberry. That one didn't fit in there. And the Persian shield. Look at that color, gorgeous. And then my crotos. And we got our little butterworts they're still green. Supposedly it takes a year. So, yeah. Anthurium, dub palm, golden pothos, beautiful babies. Look at how beautiful. Oh, love it. Got our Greek oregano, which is doing very well. Got to repot that one. And then I have my 3 culantros, which I also have to repot. And my calathea, my Chinese evergreens, and my mini monstera, which are also doing really well too. And look at my crotos. Look at my yellow hibiscus, gorgeous, very, very gorgeous. And my pink bougainvillea. And that one is a mixed hibiscus, so it's like many different colors. And then my purple bougainvillea. Gorgeous, but something's wrong with it, so I gotta figure out what the hell's going on, because it looks like it's dying. There goes my almost to bonsais, but yeah, I have lots of marigolds everywhere now because I got a lot of marigolds, and I heard the marigolds help with getting rid of pests. And look at that mandevilla, gorgeous. It's blooming so many flowers. I've never seen that before. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, this is my little mandevilla section. So we got our pink, we got our white. White's doing pretty well too. I don't mean to yawn, I'm sorry. Got our sugar snap peas. I gotta trim the bottom because it's like dying. And see, look, more marigolds. More marigolds. Got our dill, which is thriving. It's crazy. And then look, me and Mom, we put all of the sweet basil in those things, so it has a lot more space, Sadly, when I checked on them today, they're not doing too well. But yeah, that's called a flapjack. Very cute. I love it. There goes my bonsai, beautiful as ever still. My orchids, still doing really well. I repotted that one. And then there goes the desert rose that I had to chop up because of the root rot that it had. See? There goes the little chop that I did. So, it's still alive. So, I had to wait 7 days. I had to wait 7 days for it. And then there goes my other plant, my other babies. Another marigold. Another marigold. Yeah, there goes my hydrangea, and there goes my Venus flytraps, and then the which they all have little babies, and then my pitcher plant. They also got really soaked, and I know they don't like being soaked because of the rain. So I'm really worried about all of my plants. I'm really hoping that they'll survive through this. But yeah, that's another new plant I got, the Bellesa Gara. It's a dark pink variety. And then look, more marigolds. And there goes my my broccoli. My broccoli's doing like really well. Like the leaves are like big. And then we also have the onions. You can see the red onion. We got our cauliflower, which is also doing pretty well. My cauliflower today, it fell over. So I hope not. But look at it. You see it? It has little flowers, guys. You know what that means? That means that it's getting ready to produce tomatoes. We also replanted that one into a bigger one. It's a little delayed, but it's okay. And another marigold. My Secretias, or Secretias, I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, look, I trimmed those a lot, as you guys can probably tell. And when I did that, it grew a whole bunch of new red ones. New leaves. I say red ones because those are that's how the leaves grow. Look, it even bloomed a flower for me. Gorgeous. I think it was trying to say thank you. More marigolds. And also the desert roses right next to it. Since the desert roses, they tend to have a lot of like bugs and stuff. But that one's really big, and then the other ones are kind of bad. So I cut those off. Don't worry. And look, that's the one that was really bad. Look at the leaves. Awesome. And we got our miniature roses right there. You know, right where the marigolds are. And we got these bad boys over here, which that one keeps falling over, the jalapeno. And it has a flower, so you know what that means, guys. A flower means it's getting ready to produce vegetables or veggies. Yes, I'm excited. Yeah, we got our lemon basils, which are doing really well. All of these were in the sun, and it rained at night while I was sleeping. So I'm hoping that they'll be okay. We repotted the gladiotus. As you can see, look at how long it is. It's beautiful. Strawberry alpine and peppermint's doing really well. The cilantro. Look at that cilantro. It grew overnight. For real. I was like, what? There goes my oregano and my evolu. I can never pronounce it. It had a lot of flowers, but then it closed. And my citronella was down there too. The antenna's beautiful. Look at it. Cuphea's doing good too. It's gorgeous. And then look at the petunia. Look at the petunia. What? Look how many flowers it has. And then we got our geraniums. And the white geranium. The pink geranium, which I had to trim. And then the light pink geranium, which I also have to trim a little bit. And then we got the marigolds. And the pentas, which I love the pentas. It's so gorgeous. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.